naturopathy says live according to circumstances. And when in the cold, be the cold. When in the hot, be the hot. Sitting and we are bringing foods from far away places, which is not according to circumstances, according to the climate. And when you eat, the body feels it is a foreign matter, and that is called, it is uneasiness. It dislocates easiness, called disease. The body will break down and fall down.
Dr. Guru Padappa and Dr. Savita from Nature Cure Hospital, Jayanagar conducted a lecture demonstration session at Acharya Shri Rakum School for the Blind. Nature Cure is a simple system of treatment without the use of medicines.
It's a drugless system of medicine.
Water, earth, air, space and light are the 5 major elements of nature. Our body too is made up of these 5 elements. We make use of these 5 elements of nature to treat the body in nature therapy or natural therapy. Cleaning nasal passage with water is Jalaniti. Warm water with a pinch of salt is filled into this Jalaniti jug. Hold the jug like this, stand with legs kept apart. Bend your body forward, turn your head to one side. Insert the outlet tip of the jug into one nostril and raise it slightly. Breathe through your mouth. Let the water flow out through the other nostril. One jug full of water is used for each nostril. Lastly, water remaining in the nasal passage must be blown out completely. The students and the staff of Acharya Shri Rakum School for the Blind at Indiranagar practiced the Jalaniti technique under the watchful guidance of the doctors.
It is very good for sinus problem, headache, allergy and cold. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಸ್ತಮಾ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Some people, when they wake up in the morning, keep sneezing continuously, some 100 to 200 sneezes. This Sutra Niti is very good in such conditions.
It's good for allergic rhinitis.
This is the Sutra Niti card. One of its end is open, the other closed. Start with the closed end. Keep your head upright, slightly bend it backwards. Open your mouth slightly. Insert the closed end of the card into one nostril. Push it smoothly inwards till it comes into your throat. Using 2 fingers, pull it out. Holding both the ends, give it to and fro movement for a while. And then, pull it out of the mouth. Just as there are different rooms in our house, our body too has different organs inside. If we clean those organs, we will not fall sick. So there would be no need to visit hospitals. The Sutra Niti technique is known to be beneficial in conditions such as sinusitis, migraines, and overcoming various allergies. Earth in the form of mud packs applied to a part or to the whole body, and water in its various forms such as ice, steam and liquid water of various temperatures are used to control and cure various conditions in nature therapy. Breath control and breathing techniques regulate oxygen supply to our blood and relaxes the whole body. These techniques can be adopted for improving our health. Deep breathing enhances one's concentration. Today, we became aware of the 5 elements of nature: earth, water, air, space and fire, which are used in the simple treatment techniques known as naturopathy or nature cure?
In nature cure, we don't have any side effect. It is free from side effects.
Acharya Sri Rakum thanked the doctors for imparting valuable knowledge about naturopathy and presented them with social service certificates. ನೋಡು ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತು.